what's really going on. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. We're looking at Cardano price action interacting with a key level moving forward. I want to see continued interaction with this $2.18 level. If that is confirmed as support or resistance, we will need further interaction to solidify that moving forward. We're looking at some bearish Robo advisors in play at the moment, suggesting continued sideways, downside, or accumulation may be necessary here for us. We're looking at further interactions with some key levels here. If we consider our previous Robo buy signals, we have the buy 2 on the 24th of July, the buy 4 on the 27th, and then upon that area of accumulation, you experienced up to 141% in gains over the following 37 days, easily turning a potential $10,000 investment into over $24,000 just by sitting around smelling at it. And if you didn't take profit above, at, or around that swing high, you were able to capitalize on 86% in gains if you utilized EngineeringRobo's sell suggestions and you sold your position around $2.38 per Cardano. So, easily making gains with EngineeringRobo's buy and sell suggestions. EngineeringRobo is not used to determine the exact top or bottom of the market, but is used to decipher the best areas of accumulation and take profit that have the highest chances of success. And so it is key to pick 3 of the many different Robo advisors that suit your trading strategy. And so once 2 of your chosen 3 Robo advisors become bullish or bearish on price action, that could be used as a confirmation of accumulation or take profit. And so at the moment, we are looking at all 3 of our chosen Robo advisors bearish on price action, which does suggest some heavy sell pressure ahead for us. We also have further interaction with this key level here that would need to be solidified as support to become bullish on this area of accumulation. If we start to fail to hold $2.18, and if that becomes resistance, we may look to make our way toward this 0.618 Bugatti level. $1.92 is going to be another potential area of buy pressure for us. We've had already 2 very bullish interactions with this 0.618 line. A third bounce off of it would not be impossible and would still be very bullish for the uptrend to continue. At the moment, like I said, $2.18 coming into play. If we can find a price action above that level and finding support and buy pressure along it, I can suspect we will likely make our way to my next sort of short-term target here. Once support is found, we will likely make our way up to $2.83 in the immediate short term. We will likely surpass that level, I believe. However, I'm looking for that in the kind of like short term here as potential resistance for us. We also need to watch out for this 0.786 Fibonacci level. $2.44 seems to be giving us a hard time as well. So we do have some factors coming into play here as we continue this phase of sideways consolidation and accumulation. I'm looking for further support found at $2.18. Daily candles opening and closing, wick and body above that level would confirm it as support for me. At the moment, I would like a better point of entry here. I would like further confirmations of this key level as potential support. In my personal opinion, it may be resistance at this exact moment, and so if resistance is found, I'm looking for that move toward $1.92, the 0.618 line. Failure to hold that level will bring us to a more bullish area of support waiting for us all the way down at $1.56, which is currently correlating with the 0.5 Linguini line. So we do have some key levels here to interact with upon solidification of this $2.18 level. Once that is support, we're making our way up to $2.85. If that is resistance, we may be making our way down to $1.50. Let me know down below what you're doing with Cardano. Now we're taking a look at AXS against USDT. Price action currently looking still bullish, in my opinion. An update from where we left off, currently around kind of levels that we were interacting with in our previous analysis here, continuing to experience buy pressure present for us. In addition to these very bullish Robo advisors suggesting continued upside for this coin, I do believe the uptrend will very much continue once support has been found. Continuing to interact with potential support present at $115, in my opinion, could be a bullish area of accumulation for us as well. We do seem to have buy pressure present there for us. Perhaps further interaction with that level may be necessary before we can comfortably accumulate at current levels, because I do believe we are in a bit of a volatile range of sideways that needs to have a breakout. I suspect perhaps a break upward with these Robo advisors in play currently. Price action, if we consider our previous buy signals coming into play, we have the buy 4 on the 30th of June and then the bull signal on the 1st of July. Upon that area of accumulation, you were able to see up to 1,536% in gains, easily turning a potential $10,000 into over $150,000 just by sitting around looking at it. And if you didn't take profit above, at, or around that swing high, you were suggested to, perhaps close your position and take profit on an 846% in gains, utilizing EngineeringRobo's sell suggestions. And so we're not here to determine the exact top or bottom of any market, but we're here to use to decipher the best areas of accumulation and take profit that have the highest chances of success. We are currently looking at a potential bullish area of accumulation for us. We always wait for 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors to become bullish or bearish on price action. EngineeringRobo members knew to hold through this sell for here, allowing you to see up to those 1,500% in gains. At the moment, I do believe the upside will very much continue once support has been established. I'm looking for potential continued interaction with $115 as another bullish area of support for us. Failure to hold that level will bring us down to potentially $76, which is another area of potential support. At the moment, all 3 of our chosen robo advisors are bullish, so we are expecting continued upside. Technically, I would like further interaction with these key levels, as we do appear to be undergoing some sell pressure as we interact with potential resistance present near this swing high on the 4th of October. Price action currently waiting for a breakout. Let me know down below where you think AXS is going to go. Now we're taking a look at SFP against USDT. What do we have here? Oh, for fuck. That's better. We're looking at price action currently interacting with some key levels here. We have some very bullish upside in a very short amount of time after support was found near my key level here, $1. We see price action plow to and through levels of resistance and skyrocket all the way up to my resistance level, $2.89, allowing you to see up to 186% in gains. We can even see 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors bullish on price action before this move upward here. The buy 2 comes in on the 5th of October, and then we have the bull signal on the 9th of October with this continued price action around support. Some very bullish signs of upside here. So using EngineeringRobo signals, you were easily able to double your money in just over a day here. Currently, still looking at price action attempting to make its way upward. No sell signals are in play. However, we are very overbought in a very short amount of time. Very serious gains, very short amount of time here does require some sell-off, some pullback, some retracement back down toward support. I'm looking for potential interaction with $1.63, in my opinion, could be the key level that we return to before perhaps continuing the upside. Following this rejection off of $2.87, we will have to plow through this level and confirm that as support as well to become bullish on upside from that key level. At the moment, we're coming off of it as resistance. We'll have to see just how much buy pressure is present. All of our robo advisors are bullish on price action, so I do believe the upside will very much continue once we've established support. I'm looking for a potential interaction with as low as $1.63 to be bullish on accumulating. Now, let me know down below where you think price action will go. What are your thoughts on this coin moving forward? Now we're taking a look at Ethereum price action. You're experiencing that buy pressure and bullish support near $3,455, the key level that was suggesting to keep a look at while we were consolidating above it. It would appear support has been found, and we're making our way up to my short-term target here, $3,922 per Ethereum, waiting to give us a hard time moving forward. We will have to plow through this level and confirm it as support to become bullish on accumulating and expecting the uptrend to continue from that current level. After this interaction with this resistance overhead, a rejection off of it could send us back down to this $3,455 level to find further support along this 0.786 Fibba rigatoni level. Price action that fails to hold that will make its way all the way down to $2,900 per Ethereum, which is a more significant area of support for us. In my opinion, we're making our way toward my target here. Once we've solidified this interaction, if that becomes resistance, we're looking for price action headed down towards support as low as $29.77. If we can plow through this resistance level here and confirm that as support, we are likely making our way further into the multi-$1,000 range, perhaps interacting with a $5,854 Ethereum before any sort of long-term downside is to be expected or suggested. I do believe there is very much upside ahead for Ethereum. We are likely making our way past $5,000. In my opinion, we may interact with perhaps a $10,000 in Ethereum. I do believe that is not impossible for us whatsoever. However, I'm looking for Ethereum above $5,000. And the kind of short term here at least before I can suspect any sort of prolonged extended downside. Things are looking very bullish for cryptocurrency now. We're taking a look at Bitcoin, crypto, the currency currently, experiencing a little bit of interaction with, $58,700 per Bitcoin. My resistance target here, price action, experiencing, sell pressure present at the moment as traders take profit and sell at this current level. I'm waiting for a breakthrough and confirm back downward of $58,000 as support. Once that has been confirmed as, support and buy pressure has been established, we can expect the uptrend to continue from there. At the moment, we're interacting with resistance, so we're just waiting for further, confirmations to be met before, comfortably accumulating. I do believe there's never a bad time to buy Bitcoin, only better times. Right now, we may be looking at some of the best times to be buying Bitcoin, in my personal opinion. Technically, like I said, we're interacting with resistance, which may cause some short-term downside here. If we experience a rejection, a pullback, or retracement, we may make our way toward this 0.786 Fibonacci Lamborghini level. $51,784 per Bitcoin is potential support for us. And if we fail to hold that, we have buy pressure present all the way down at $48,000 per Bitcoin, which would still be a key level of accumulation for us. And I can still be bullish on, all-time highs and perhaps a six-figure Bitcoin, even if we interact with the, 40Ks again. That would not be impossible for us and would still be bullish, in my opinion. We have all three of our chosen robo advisors bullish on price action, suggesting some upside. So it is very hard to be bearish on Bitcoin. However, we are technically interacting with, some technical resistance. So there is going to be some sell pressure overhead, and we need a breakthrough and confirmation of that level as support before we can suspect, perhaps new all-time highs into the six-figure range, and perhaps even a $125,000 Bitcoin may be in our near future here for us before any sort of prolonged downside is to be considered. I'm still very bullish on cryptocurrency. Let me know down below where you think price action will go. I'm looking for continued interaction with this $58,800 level. We're seeing if that is support or resistance with this, coming move here in the next few days. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Check out EngineeringRobo free with a link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube. Check out all the other social media down below and tune in for the next one.